Okay, hello. So this first video will show you what we're trying to achieve. On this side of the page here, you have a whole lot of different URLs. One will be what they call a JV page. That means there's information contained in that one. Some may have a sales page. What I want to do is go to both areas so we can check it out. So let me just bring up the first one and we can do that. So we'll just copy that, go into my browser and just paste that in. Okay, so here's, oops, I'm just going, that's part of an overlay. So this is basically the JV page. What I want to try and do on this page here is get you to lift as much information as we can from there. So for example, let's have a look at the first block of information, which is called about the product. So you would have set up already a folder. So the first thing we'll do will be save that image as an example. In fact, we'll do this systematically, so we'll actually save the images first up. I've already done this previously, but I'll just save that one. That's fine. I'll go down and see if there's any more. I note there's a video in there, which we'll have a look at in a sec. I don't worry about any of this stuff here, that's irrelevant. And that's really it. So the next thing I note is there are really no other images that I really want to take from this page at the moment. I do note, however, they have swipe files. So basically these are just bits of information that we can use in our structure. What I'm looking for here, and some don't have swipe files, but would be one that is quite long. That doesn't look very long. That's okay. And this one here. Yeah, this is quite long, so I'll actually take this. So I'll just take that whole lot of information there. Whoa, sorry, whole lot of information, and I'll just click and copy. I'll bring up my notepad area. And this is the sample information. And I'll just dump that. I'll leave that open for a sec because I'll be using that again in a minute before I save it. Okay, so back to the page. So that's fine. I didn't get a lot of information off of here, but that's okay. So now we've got an embedded video. What I want to do is capture that in a moment, but I think there might be one on the sales page here, so I'll just do that. So let me just stop this for a second, and I'll come back. Oops, sorry, there's some more information here, so I'll capture that. Okay, right click again, copy that, bring up my notepad, I'll just make another spot down here, copy all this, paste that. Okay, so we've got information there. I'll just decrease that again. So that's fine. So now what I'll do, I'll pause the video and I'm going to go back to the sales page to see if I can get some more information from there. Oops, just pause that. Okay, there was one part, so now I'm going to copy the URL for the actual sales page. Put that in here now. Paste that in. Let's have a look and bring up this one. Okay, so this is the sales page. So we've got a couple of videos we can put in here. The first is we'll go to YouTube and we'll go to share. I'm sorry, over here. Oh, hang on. Sorry about that. Let's just start again. So we go down to here to embed, and we take the embed code, copy that. I'll just pause the video for a second. Okay, I'll go back to where I had my file, an iPad, and sorry about that. Right, so now we've got our embed video area. I'll just paste that in there. So that word sample. Okay, and then we'll file that. File, save as. Sample video, embed video, and then I'll just use the word page hat so I don't get it confused with other areas. Okay, so that's fine. I'll just pause again. Okay, so I've done the embed video. I now want to go through and see what other images are available on this page. So there is a couple here, so I'll save that one. Whoops, save as. Okay. Now it looks like there are a couple more videos on there. I know they're just images, so I'll save that image as well. Save that one as well. Save this one as well. Okay. Nice image, save that one as well. It's a nice image, save that one as well. You get the idea. So we need to go and get most and lift most of those, copy most of those images off the website. Now what I'm looking to do, so there's quite a bit there, is where I've got some text. I want to lift that text. I want to put it back into my sample information area. We'll come down here. I think just for best practice we just put a little area there which shows that it's separated. Paste that information in there. Okay, some bullet points here which we can lift off. Paste that in there as well. That's fine, I'm not worried about the formatting or anything, just taking the text only. So again, here's another image. We could save that one as part of the, I'll probably do the images first as you skim down. I'm just looking more for text at this stage. So this text here we'll copy, put it back down to my file. Okay, so as you can see, the process is pretty easy. It's really cut and paste. We'll use that information as well. And this is anything else, we won't worry about any of that. Again, there's some bullet points here. I think we may have caught that in the, or done that in the last JV part, but we'll just lift this off again. We can go and check that later. It's fine. I don't want too much duplicate stuff on there, but yeah. And paste that in. Okay. And that's basically it. So we can now save that. Save as information, and this will be for page hat. Okay. That's basically it. So we've captured the data. I just need to make sure that we have captured the amount as well, and I will put that in the spreadsheet. So for example, this one here would be $27, and that'll be sitting in the spreadsheet ready to go as part of the information. Okay, so that's basically it, and the next step will be the next video, which shows how we actually put that into our post. Okay.